Now let us close our eyes for the closing prayer and benediction. Lord Jesus Christ, thank you for coming into the world to establish the family of God. Teach us the joy of relating to one another as brother and sister of the household of God. In Jesus' name we pray. Now let us receive the benediction. May the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ and the love of God